Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. For this time, we'll try the SWR of our duct tape antenna. So we're using Diamond SWR meter, the TD-Radio TDH8 for the transceiver, and here is our duct tape antenna. So we made another one. So this is the first duct tape antenna we've made. Okay, so let's try for the SWR. Okay, so let's try on 145. Okay, let's check the SWR. Focus and Smith 145. Okay, 144. Okay, 146. Test. Okay, so let's try the other one. Okay, the second one. Okay, let's try on 146. Okay, on 145. Okay, 144. Okay, let's try on low power. Okay, so that's it for now, fellow hams. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima 73, and mabuhay.